So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are absolutely fine and sound, and here is a quick update regarding all the games which are listed over here in the arcade challenge. If you don't know about the arcade program, how to participate and how to register in this event, I've shared the links in Hindi and English. You can watch the video and understand about the program. Now coming directly to the topic, that is these are the arcade games. See, most of you have already completed all the arcade games and waiting for the swags to get. How you'll be getting, I'll tell you in that also how to get the swags also. But here, in case you haven't completed some of the games, for example, you are missing the Valentine game or you are missing the certification zone game, only that is missing, okay, or you have not completed the trivia game, so you need to complete all these games. It's very simple. How to complete it? You have to simply, first of all, you need to create a Cloud Skills Boost account. If you don't know, you can just watch the video I have attached in the description box. From there you'll be able to know it. Now simply click on start over here. Here you have to just sign in, and here you have to enter the access code. It will ask you to how to join the code. For that also I have attached the video. I'll show you, do not worry. And then all these labs you have to complete, right? All these labs which you are saying you have to complete. Now how to complete it? You need a solution guide for it. I've already uploaded all the solutions on my channel. You can come to the playlist section and find it also. And if you face a little bit issue, for that I have created the master sheet. Now here is the master sheet. Whatever guide you need, for example, how to participate in this event, know more about this event, you can just know everything in Hindi and English. Now you have to click on monthly games, okay? Now once you click on the monthly games, the sheet is updated for February month. If you just see over here, and here on the left side all the games are listed over here, and on the right side all the access code is there, and here is the solution guide. So you can see these are the Valentine games and this is the certification zone. So you have to simply click on the playlist, watch the video and complete the challenge. Do not worry, you can follow the tutorials. You'll be getting the swags and without any issue. So hurry up, you have only up to 28th of February. After that those games means you won't be able to open these games because March games will be live and these will expire, okay? And if you need a strategy, I'll make a video, a strategy video also. If you're starting from today itself, how you can maximize points for February month, right? I'll make a video for it. And one more suggestion is that avoid this journey made easy. I've marked it as yellow because if you have not completed this badge, if you have not completed this badge in January, you can see, then there is no point of completing this badge. You can complete all the remaining badges and get the points for it. So hurry up and complete all the challenges because time is very limited and you need to be consistent throughout the journey. If you start now, you'll be getting more lab limits. That's why I'm making this video early, one day early, so that you can complete at least 30 labs, okay? And it will be better if you complete all the labs, if you are able to complete, because many of you have participated from February itself, so you can easily complete it. And if you're starting from February, for that also I'll make a video. Do not worry, all things will be covered in detail. Make sure to subscribe the channel, like the video, and thank you guys. Have a great day ahead.